Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WooCommerce partner resources via WordPress. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section on the left sidebar. Click on Settings from the WooCommerce menu. Once in the settings, locate the Account and Privacy tab. Here, check the options related to allowing customers to create an account during the checkout process. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab in the WooCommerce settings. In this section, you will see various options related to API and endpoints. Look for the REST API option and click on it. Now, add a new key by clicking the Add Key button. Fill in the description and select permissions, ideally read access. After completing the form, click the Generate API Key button. Make a note of the consumer key and consumer secret displayed on the screen. Next, head over to the WooCommerce Partner Resources site. Log in using your WooCommerce account credentials. Once logged in, you will find a dashboard with various resources available for download. Explore the categories to find the specific resources you need. Click on the resource to go to the download page. Here, you will often find a direct download button or links to additional information. Click the download button to save the resource to your device. Check your downloads folder to ensure the file has been saved successfully. Return to your WordPress site to implement the resources as needed. Always remember to keep your WooCommerce plugin updated for optimal functionality. That's it. You've successfully downloaded WooCommerce partner resources via WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.